How to connect Pinterest to YouTube. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Pinterest application on your device and you need to log into your account. Once you are in the home page of Pinterest, you'll be able to see the various videos or photos according to your interest. So in order to connect Pinterest to YouTube, you have to go to your profile informations. For that, you need to first tap on your saved or the profile option in the right bottom corner. And from over here, you'll be able to see your profile. So you have to tap on the three-dotted horizontal line of the right upper corner. And from over here, you can directly go for edit public profile option. It's a new update of Pinterest. And once you are here, you'll be able to see your public profile. You have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see the website option at the bottom. So in this section, you need to enter the link of your YouTube channel. For that, you have to first go back to YouTube. And once you are here, you need to tap on your profile option in the right upper corner. And you have to go for your channel. And after that, you have to tap on the three-dotted vertical line of the right upper corner. And here will be the share option. Simply tap on share. And you have to copy the link of your YouTube channel. Once the link is copied, you have to go back to the Pinterest. And at the website, you have to tap and paste the link. And by doing that, you have to simply tap on done option. And after doing that, your profile has been updated and your Pinterest has been connected to YouTube. So this is how you connect Pinterest to YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.